Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. నా క్లాస్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వింటుంటే డెఫినెట్గా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ షేర్ చేయండి, లైక్ కూడా చేయండి. In the previous class, we completed exercise 4A, important 2 marks questions and most important 4 marks questions. Now, in this video, we will complete remaining exercise, that is exercise 4B. We have few formulas in this exercise. The vector equation of the straight line passing through the point A of A and parallel to the vector B is R is equals to A plus TB. So vector equation of the straight line, equation of line in vector form, equation of line in vector form passing through which point? Passing through A point and parallel to the vector B is R is equals to A plus TB. R is equals to A plus TB and passing through one point undali and parallel to another vector undali. Passing through one vector and parallel to the another vector. That is equation of line is R is equals to A plus TB. And second one, the vector equation of the line passing through the points A of A and B of A is R is equals to 1 minus TA plus TB. R is equals to 1 minus TA plus TB, where T belongs to R. Where T belongs to R. Suppose this is line and this is the line. So we got a point that is A point, A vector, A of A, and this is B point. So equation of this line valante manam ee formula place. So R is equals to 1 minus TA. T and A and first vector, and plus TB, B and second vector. Okay na? Equation of line passing through 2 points. 2 points is the formula 1 minus TA plus TB. 1 minus TA plus TB. Next, the vector equation of the plane. Plane is line. The line is 2 formulas unte manaki R is equals to A plus TB and passing through one point parallel to another point, another vector. So passing through 2 points 1 minus TA plus TB. Next, the vector equation of the plane passing through the point A of A, passing through one point and parallel to the vectors B and C, and passing through one point untundi and parallel to the other vectors. Other vectors are B and C. Is R is equals to A plus TB plus SC, where T and S are real numbers. T and S are real numbers. So passing through one point, passing through A point and parallel to the other two vectors A plus TB plus SC. This is the equation of plane. Line gaadu, line 2 formulas emanunde plane. Next, the equation of the plane passing through the points A of A and B of B and parallel to the vector C is R is equals to 1 minus TA plus TB plus SC. Here passing through 2 points only. Passing through one point parallel to 2 vectors. Passing through 2 points. Passing through 2 points and parallel to the vector C. Passing through 2 points and parallel to another one vector is C. So that is formula R is equals to 1 minus TA plus TB plus SC. Last, the equation of the plane passing through the 3 non-collinear points. This is passing through 3 points. Passing through 3 points. R is equals to 1 minus T minus S into A plus TB plus SC. This is passing through 3 points. Passing through 3 points. This is passing through 2 points. This is passing through 1 point. Passing through 1 point. And it passing through 1 point and parallel to 2 vectors. Passing through 2 points parallel to 1 vector. So this is passing through 3 points. Okay na? This is a vector equation of line, these 2 formulas. Vector equation of plane, these 3 formulas. Okay na? These formulas are very very important. Now example 4. This is also very very important 4 marks question. Very very important 4 marks question. Show that the line joining the pair of points 6A minus 4B plus 4C, comma minus 4C, and the line joining the pair of points minus A minus 2B minus 3C, comma A plus 2B minus 5C intersect at the point minus 4C. అంటే 2 pair of points ఇచ్చిన మనకి ఇది ఒక pair అంటే దీని ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ ఫైండ్ చేస్తాం. దిస్ ఇస్ ఈక్వేషన్, ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ passing through those 2 points. Okay na? Now we will find one more equation passing through these 2 points. So that is equation, take that as equation 2. We have to prove that these 2 lines intersect at this point. This point becomes minus 4C. We have to show that this point of intersection is minus 4C. Okay na? First find the equation passing through 2 points. So we know already one formula. Equation of line passing through 2 points. Passing through. Equation of line passing through the points What are the points given? First 2 points. The points 6a minus 4b plus 4c, comma minus 4c is integration of line passing through 2 points. R is equals to 1 minus t into a plus tb. This is very important formula. Is R is equals to 1 minus t into a. A means first vector. So 6a minus 4b plus 4c plus tb. T into minus 4c. T into minus 4c. Now multiply with 1. R is equals to 1 into 6, 6a. 1 into minus 4b, minus 4b. 1 into 4c plus 4c. Minus t into 6a. Minus 6at. Minus into minus plus t into 4b, 4bt. Minus into plus minus 4ct. Plus into minus minus 4ct. 4tc are both t's are both are same. So 6a like terms should be added. Minus 4b plus 4c minus 680 we don't have any like term, so take as is minus 680 plus 4bt also we don't have 4bt minus 4ct minus 4ct minus 8ct. Now take out a terms common. A. What is remaining? 6. If I take a common, what is the 6 remaining? Here minus 60 remaining. 60 into a. Next plus b. Take out b common, remaining minus 4 minus 4 ఉంటుంది, and here 40 plus 40 into b plus remaining 4c. Take out c common, remaining 4 minus 80 into c. 4 minus 80 into c. So take it as equation number 1. The equation number 1. Now we find the second equation. Line joining the point, these 2 points. Okay na? Equation of line passing through which points? Passing through. So what are 2 points? Minus a minus 2b, minus a minus 2b minus 3c, comma another point a plus 2b minus 5c is a plus 2b minus 5c is same. R is equals to, what is the formula? 1 minus 3a plus tb. అలాగే t వేరియబుల్ యూజ్ చేశాం కదా, టేక్ డిఫరెంట్ వేరియబుల్ ఏంటి 1 మైనస్ s తీసుకుంటున్నా. 1 మైనస్ s ఇంటూ a. a అంటే ఫస్ట్ వెక్టర్ మైనస్ a మైనస్ 2b మైనస్ 3c ప్లస్ 1 మైనస్ t ఇంటూ a ప్లస్ tb కదా, అంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ వేరియబుల్ రావాలి s. 1 మైనస్ s ఇంటూ a ప్లస్ sb. b అంటే a ప్లస్ 2b మైనస్ 5c. a ప్లస్ 2b మైనస్ 5c. నో మల్టిప్లై విత్ 1. ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లై చేద్దాం. 1 into minus a, next 1 into minus 2b minus 2b, 1 into minus 3c minus 3c, next multiply with minus s into minus a plus sa, next minus into minus plus 2sb, next minus into minus plus 3sc, next this को multiply s into a sa plus s into 2b 2sb, next s into minus 5c minus 5sc. like terms ఉంటే యాడ్ చేయండి. minus a minus 2b minus 3c like terms sa plus sa 2sa sb terms 2sb plus 2ab 4sb 3sc minus 5sc minus 2sc. Now take out a common from a common daily. So if I take a common, what is the remaining? minus 1. ఇక్కడ minus 1 వస్తుంది plus 2s into a. next take out b common. b common is the remaining minus 2 plus 4b into s plus take out c common, minus 3 వస్తుంది ఇంకా minus 2s into c. It is, take it as equation number 2. R is equals. Now from equate 1 and 2, and 1 and 2 నుండి ఇది r value equation r, ఇది కూడా r కదా. So compare coefficient of a and coefficient of b and coefficient of c. Both sides compare చేయండి. From 1 and 2 compare the coefficients. From 1 and 2 compare the coefficients of a, compare Compare the coefficient of A and coefficient of B. Coefficient of B. What is the coefficient of A? Is it 6 minus 60? 6 minus 60 is equals to here minus 1 plus 2s. Minus 1 plus 2s. 6 minus 60 equals to coefficient of B minus 4 plus 40. Minus 4 plus 40 is equals to coefficient of B ఏమొస్తుంది? B minus 2 plus 4 minus sorry ఇక్కడ B కామన్ s వస్తుంది. Sorry minus 2 plus 4s. సో 2s లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ సెండ్ చేయండి ఏమొస్తుంది? మైనస్ 2s అవుతుంది కదా. మైనస్ 16 మైనస్ 2s ప్లస్ 6 ఈ మైనస్ 1 లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ సెండ్ చేయండి ప్లస్ 1 అవుతుంది ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0. సో మైనస్ 60 మైనస్ 2s 6 ప్లస్ 1 7 is equals to 0. Take it as equation number 3. Equation number 3. Now take this equation total left side సెండ్ చేయండి అంటే 40 వస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ 40 minus 4s minus 4 plus 2 is equals to 0. So 40 minus 4s minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Take out 2 common. And 2 common వస్తుంది కదా. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Remaining వస్తుంది 2t minus 2s minus 1 equals to 0. Take it as equation number 4. Equation number 4. Now from 3 and 4. From 3 and 4. From 3 and 4. From 3 and 4. What is the third equation? Minus 60 plus 2s plus 7 equals 0. And equation 4. 2t minus 2s minus 1 is equals to 0. So this also minus, right? So ఇక్కడ minus ఉంది కదా. So change the signs. Plus minus becomes plus. Minus becomes plus. Minus becomes plus becomes minus. Minus 60 minus 2t minus 80. Minus 80 plus 2s minus 2 gets cancelled. 7 plus 1 8 plus 8 is equals to 0. This implies minus 80 is equals to minus 8. Minus 80 is equals to minus 8. 8 reduction send చేస్తున్నా minus 8 ఉంది. T is equals to minus 8 by minus 8. Minus 8 by minus 8 అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది? క్యాన్సిల్ 1 వస్తుంది. Minus minus cancel 8 ones are 8 ones are. T is equals to 1. 1 by 1 అంటే 1. Now substitute T value in equation. ఇది 1. Substitute T value in equation 1. T value వస్తే enough మనకి s అవసరం లేదు. T is equals to ఏంటి మనకి? T is equals to 1. Now substitute T is equals to 1 in equation. T is equals to 1 in equation 1. So just 1 is it? Okay. Now substitute T is equals to 1 in equation 1. In equation 1. So we will get the point of intersection. 1 implies R is equals to 6 minus 6 into T equals to 1 kada. So into 1 into A plus minus 4 plus 4 into T and 1 kada. 1 into B plus 4 minus 8 into 1 into C. 8 into minus 1 into C. So 6 into 6 minus 6 into 8 plus minus 4 plus 4 into B plus 4 minus 8 into C. So you can cancel 0. Minus 1 plus 4 cancel 0. 4 minus 8 minus 4 and the 0 plus 0 minus 4 into C minus 4C is equals to minus 4C. So this is the point of intersection. One is a prove. Therefore point of intersection is minus 4C. Point of intersection is minus 4C. So this is the solution of fourth question. Very very important 4 marks question. Point of intersection is minus 4C. Now exercise 4b. First bit first question. These are very very important 2 marks questions. First question. First bit total 2 marks important. Find the vector equation of the line passing through the point 2i plus 3j plus k passing through this point and parallel to the vector 4i minus 2j plus 3k. Parallel to the vector 4i minus 2j plus 3k. Here passing through one point and parallel to another vector. Passing through one point, this is a point, I'm going to passing through a point and parallel to another vector b. So equation of this line, this vector is, what is the formula? We know formula already. R is equals to A plus TB. R is equals to A plus TB. And passing through A point plus parallel to B vector. Passing through A and parallel to B vector is, this is the required equation R. Okay na? So substitute value, take this as A value. What is the vector passing through A? Passing through point is this score. Passing through A is equals to 2I plus 3J plus K. A is equals to 2I plus 3J plus K. And B is equals to 4I minus 2J plus 3K. 4I minus 2J plus 3K. So what is the required equation? Equation of line is, equation of a line is, and the line enti R is equals to, line is R is equals to A plus TB. R is equals to A plus TB. Here T belongs to rational number. Sorry, real number. R T belongs to real number. So substitute A value. What is A value? R is equals to 2I plus 3J plus K plus T into B. B value 4I minus 2J plus 3K. 4I minus 2J plus 3K. Now multiply with, possible with T to multiply and as is no problem ledu. So 2I minus 3J plus K plus T into 4I. T 4I minus 2TJ plus into plus 3TK. 3TK. Now take I common. I terms, we have I terms here. I ikkada undi kada. Take out I common. What is the remaining? 2 plus I common is ఇక్కడ remaining 2 ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ 40 ఉంటుంది. 2 plus 40 into I plus take out J common. J term. Take out J common. Minus 3 minus 2T into J plus take out K common. ఇక్కడ K common ఉంది. So K common is remaining 1 ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ. 1 plus, if I take K common here, remaining will be 3T. 3T into K. This is a required equation of line which is passing through A point and parallel to another vector B. Okay na? ఈ ఫార్ములా డెఫినెట్ గా రాయాలి. ఫార్ములాకి మనకి 1 మార్క్ ఉంటుంది. బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ కదా. ఈ ఫార్ములాకి డెఫినెట్ గా 1 మార్క్ ఉంటుంది. ఫార్ములా 100% రాయాలి. Now fourth question. Find the vector equation of the line joining the points 2y plus j plus 3k and minus 4y plus 3j minus k. Join the points and passing through points. Join the points and passing through points. And here we have A point, A of A, and here we have B point, B of B. We have to find this equation. Equation of line passing through 2 points. Passing through 2 points. So what is the formula? Passing through 2 points. Take first vector as A, second vector as B. A is equals to 2I plus J plus 3K, and the second vector B is equals to minus 4I plus 3J minus K. Minus 4I plus 3J minus K. Now, what is the required equation? Required equation is R is equals to 1 minus TA plus TB. R equals 1 minus TA plus TB. So passing through 2 points kada. So R is equals to 1 minus TA plus TB, where T belongs to a real number. Where T belongs to real number. R is equals to 1 minus TA plus TB, where R is equals to a real number. Now substitute values, A value and B value substitute in the formula. So substitute cheyandi. So R is equals to 1 minus TA, 1 minus T into what is the first vector? A vector, 2I plus J plus 3K, 2I plus J plus 3K plus TB, T into B vector, vector B, minus 4I plus 3J minus K. ఇంతవరకు వేసిన ప్రాబ్లం లేదు మనకి, కానీ ఇంకా సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది. సో మల్టిప్లై విత్ 1 తో మల్టిప్లై అంటే 1 into 2i 2i వస్తుంది, 1 into j j వస్తుంది, 1 into 3k 3k, నెక్స్ట్ మైనస్ t into 2i minus 2ti, నెక్స్ట్ మైనస్ t into j minus tj, minus t into 3k minus 3tk plus into minus 4ti plus into plus 3tj plus 3tj plus into minus tk. Now 2i plus j plus 3k like terms add cheyandi. Minus 2ti minus 4ti minus 7ti minus sorry minus 60, minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 kada, minus 60i. Next j terms, minus 3j plus 3tj, 3t minus 1t 2t plus 2tj, 2tj. Next k terms, minus 3tk minus tk minus 4tk, 4tk. Right, now take out I comes common. We have item, so take out common, remaining into 2 plus 2 minus 60, 2 minus 60i, 2 minus 60i plus take out j common, j common kada, remaining 1 untundi, 1 plus 2tj, 1 plus 2tj. Take out k terms common, remaining 3 here, remaining minus 40 here, so 3 minus 40 into k, 3 minus 40 into k. So this is a required vector equation of line passing through 2 points, first vector and second vector. Now second question, OABC is a parallelogram. If OA is equals to small a and OC is equals to small c, find the vector equation of the side BC. Find the vector equation of the side BC. So this is a parallelogram OABC. OABC. What is the given? OA by position vector of OA is equals to a. OA is equals to small a given, and OC is equals to small c given. OA is equals to small a, OA is equals to small a, and OC is equals to small c. So this is OA, a value given, and this also c, OC is equals to small c. Now we have to find the equation of vector equation of the BC, and the BC equation find really. So BC is passing through point, B point and C point. BC equation is passing through B point and C point. But మనం వెక్టర్స్ లో మనం పాయింట్స్ ని పొజిషన్ వెక్టర్స్ లో ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? We will express points as position vector of that point. So this equation is passing through, what is the position vector of B? OB. So this equation is passing through position vector of OB, position vectors OB and OC. See position vector enti OC kada. So this equation is passing through OC and OB. OC and OB. We know one formula. Equation of line passing through 2 points. What is the formula? 1 minus TA plus TB. Here A and B are position vectors. A and B are position vectors. Same. So what is given? OC is equal to small c. In any parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. So this AB also equals to small c. AB, OC is equals to, AB is equals to small c. OC is equals to, AB is equals to small c. Right. Now we have to find OB, because this BC line is passing through OB and OC. Now we have to find OB. How can I write OB? See this in triangle OAB. In triangle OAB. So by using triangular law of vector addition, sum of two sides is equals to third side. In triangle OAB, sum of OA plus AB is equal to third side. What is third side? AB. OB. So we can write OB as OA plus AB. OA plus AB. So what is the value of OA? Small a. Plus what is the value of AB? Small c. This is OB. This is OB. Now we have to find the vector equation of BC by using this formula. Vector equation of BC is vector equation of BC is what is the formula? R is equals to 1 minus TA. A means OC, first position vector, or next to B means OB. 1 minus T into OC plus TB. T into B, position vector, another position vector OB. 1 minus T into OC plus T into OB. Now take OC is equals to what? Small c. OC is equals to small c. 1 minus T into C plus T into OB value A plus C. OB value A plus C. Now multiply with C. C into 1 C minus TC plus A into AT plus TC. So minus TC plus TC cancel. So what is the remaining? C plus AT. This is a vector equation of the side BC. Okay, now this is the solution of second question. Now third question. If A, B, C are the position vectors of the vertices A, B and C respectively of triangle ABC, then find the vector equation of the median through the vertex A. Through the vertex A. So we will find the equation of median. This is triangle ABC. A, B, C. What is given? Position vector of A, that is OA. OA is equals what is given? Small a. Given A, B, C are the position vectors. A, B, C are the position vectors. Position vectors. Position vectors of what? O of A, B and C. Position vector of A and B and C. So what is given? OA is equals to small a, OA is equals to small a, and OB is equals to small b, and OC is equals to small c. These are the position vectors. Now we find the equation of median. Median means the line joining the vertex to the opposite midpoint. అంటే ఒక లైన్ వర్టెక్స్ నుండి దాని ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ మిడ్ పాయింట్ జాయిన్ చేస్తే దట్ ఇస్ ద మీడియన్. The line joining the vertex to the opposite midpoint. This is the D is the midpoint. Let D be the midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. Let D be the midpoint of BC. Let D be the midpoint of BC. Now we take the position vector of D. So position vector of D is equals to position vector of D is equals to position vector of D is equals to, so D is the midpoint of B and C. D is the midpoint of B and C. So here we don't take B plus C. Take the position vector of B. Position vector of B, that is OB, plus what is the position vector of C? OC divided by 2. And D అనేది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా BC మిడిల్ పాయింట్ అన్నట్టు. మిడిల్ పాయింట్ ఎలా వస్తుంది? ఇది ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ వెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ B ప్లస్ పొజిషన్ వెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ C బై 2 హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ కట్ చేస్తే D పాయింట్ వస్తుంది మనకి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద పొజిషన్ వెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ D. సో వాట్ ఇస్ OB వాల్యూ? OB is equal to small b given. OB is equals to small b plus OC is equals to small c divided by 2. This is position vector of D, that is OD. OD. Now we have find the equation AD. So equation AD passing through points A point and D point. A point and D point. Therefore, we take position vector of OA, position vector of A, that is OA, and position vector of D, that is OD. So equation of AD is passing through 2 points. What is the formula? 1 minus TA plus TB. 1 minus TA plus TB. Equation of AD is what is the formula? R is equals to 1 minus T into A. Here A is the position vector of A, OJ, plus TB. T means position vector of D, because this equation is passing through 2 points, that is A point and D point. So take OD. So what is OA value? OA is equal to small a given. 1 minus T into OJ. OJ means small a, plus T into OD means B plus C by 2. B plus C by 2. This is the equation of AD. Median. Therefore, vector equation of median AD is vector equation of the median of the median AD is what is the formula? R is equals to 1 minus T into A plus T into B plus C by 2. So this is the vector equation of the median AD. AD is equals to R equals to 1 minus T into A plus T into B plus C by 2. This is the solution of third question. Now fifth question. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the points I minus 2j plus 5k, minus 5j minus k, and minus 3i plus 5j. We have to find the vector equation of the plane passing through 3 points given. Passing through 3 points. So what is the formula of passing through 3 points? Equation of plane. Equation of plane. Passing through 3 points. Plane passing through. Passing through. A of A and B of B and C of C. C of C is, what is the formula? R is equals to 1 minus T minus S into A plus TB plus SC. This is the formula passing through 3 points. Equation of plane is only. T comma S R belongs to real numbers. T comma S R real numbers. Now take first vector as A. What is the first vector? 1 I minus 2j plus k. A is equals to I minus 2j plus 5k, and take second vector as B. B is equals to minus 5j minus k, and C is equals to minus 3i plus 5j. Minus 3i plus 5j. Substitute all these values in this formula. R is equals to, what is the required equation? R is equals to 1 minus T minus S into A. What is the A vector? A. I minus 2j plus 5k. I minus 2j plus 5k plus TB plus T into, what is the B vector? Minus 5j minus k. Minus 5j minus k. Next plus SC plus S into C. What is the C vector? Minus 3i plus 5j. Minus 3i plus 5j. So this is the required equation of plane. దీన్ని ఇంకా సింప్లిఫై చేయకండి, లెంతీ వస్తుంది. So this is the required equation of plane. Now sixth question. This also very important to most question. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the points 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0 and 2, 0, 1. Here points given. We are converted into vector form. We are converted into vector form. Suppose if you have point x, y, z. If you have point x, y, z. What is the component form of x to p point? xi plus yj plus zk. This is vector form. This is point form. Okay na? దీన్ని vector form లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి. Let us take a is equals to 0 into I plus 0 into j plus 0 into k. x y z x y z. So 0 into a total ఏమొస్తుంది మన vector? A is equals to 0. A is equals to 0. A is equals to 0. What is the vector B? B is equals to 0 into I plus 5 into j plus 0 into k. 0 into k. 0 into I 0 plus 5 into j 5j. 0 into k 5j. 0 వస్తుంది. 0 plus 0 అంటే సేమ్ b వస్తుంది. B is equals to 5j. And write vector C is equals to 2 into I plus 0 into j plus 1 into k. 0 into j 0 వస్తుంది కదా. 2 into I 2i. 2i plus k. 2i plus k. C is equals to. Now we have to find the equation of plane passing through 3 points. Same with the formula. So what is the formula? R is equals to 1 minus T minus S into A plus TB plus SC. TB plus SC. Substitute values 1 minus T minus S into A. What is A value? 0 plus TB, T value, T into B value 5j plus SC into C value 2i plus k. 2i plus k. Now 0 into something total 0 kada, and 0 plus 5tj plus 2i plus k into s. So 0 plus 5tj అంటే 5tj వస్తుంది. 5tj plus 2i plus k into s. So this is the required equation of plane. Very important to mass question. Now second bit first question. If ABC are non-coplanar, find the point of intersection of the line passing through the points 2a plus 3b minus c, 3a plus 4b minus 2c. And find the point of intersection of the lines passing through 2 points with the line joining the points a minus 2b plus 3c, a minus 6b plus 6c. అంటే ఈ 2 లైన్స్ పాయింట్స్ ఇచ్చిన కదా, ఈ 2 లైన్ పాస్ అవుతూ ఒక లైన్ వస్తుంది మనకి ఇలా. ఆ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫైండ్ చేస్తాం ఫస్ట్ మనం. నెక్స్ట్ ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ దీస్ 2 పాయింట్స్. ఆ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫైండ్ చేస్తాం. Next we will find the point of intersection అంటే ఆ 2 lines where it meets. Point of intersection of 2 lines. So now we know one formula. Vector equation of the line passing through 2 points. What is the formula? 1 minus t into a plus tb. 1 minus ta plus tb. So what is the given 2 vectors? These are 2 vectors. So So equation of line passing through the points or joining the point, both are same. Joining and both are passing through and same. Passing through the points. What are the given point? 2a plus 3b minus c, comma 3a plus 4b minus 2c is, what is the formula? R is equals to 1 minus ta, 1 minus t into a and first vector. What is the vector? 2a plus 3b minus c plus tb plus t into b. T into b value second vector, 3a plus 4b minus 2c. 3a plus 4b minus 2c. So 1 to multiply అయ్యింది, 1 into a 2a వస్తుంది మనకి, 1 into 3b వస్తుంది, 1 into c minus into t minus t into total డైరెక్ట్ రాస్తున్నా, minus t into total వస్తుంది కదా, అంటే 2a plus 3b minus c, ఓకే మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి తప్పదు, plus t into 3a plus 4b minus 2c. సో t తో మల్టిప్లై అయ్యింది, 2a plus 3b minus c, t into minus 2a 2ta minus into plus minus 3tb minus into minus plus tc plus into plus 3ta plus t into 4b 4tb minus 2tc, right. సో లైక్ టర్మ్స్ ఉంటే యాడ్ చేయండి, 2a లైక్ టర్మ్ లేదు, plus 3b minus 4c వీటి లైక్ టర్మ్స్ లేవు, minus 2ta plus 3ta 1ta వస్తుంది, 1ta plus ta. నెక్స్ట్ minus 3tb plus 4tb minus 3 plus 4 1 plus tb వస్తుంది, plus tb, tc minus 2tc minus tc. Now take out a common, ఇక్కడ 2 టర్మ్స్ లో a కామన్ ఉందా, a కామన్ చేయండి, అంటే 2 plus t into a plus take out b common తీస్తే ఏంటి రిమైనింగ్ 3 plus t into b minus c కామన్ చేయండి, plus minus 1 into minus t into c. This is the equation 1 తీసుకోండి, equation 1. Now so అంటే this is the equation 1, this first line. Now wait for the second equation. This equation is passing through these 2 points, same formula, 1 minus t into a plus tb. Take already variable t తీసుకున్నాం కదా, take different variable as తీసుకున్నాం మనం. So equation of line through the points ఏమైనా పాయింట్స్ మనకి, through the points, what are the points? a minus 2b plus 3c, comma a minus 6b plus 6c is, a minus 6b plus 6c is, what is the formula? R is equals to 1 minus ta, అంటే 1 minus s తీసుకుంటున్నా, 1 minus s into a అంటే ఫస్ట్ వెక్టర్, a minus 2b plus 3c, a minus 2b plus 3c, 1 minus ta plus tb కదా, 1 minus ta plus tb, ఇక్కడ వేరియబుల్ s కదా, ఇక్కడ కూడా s తీసుకోవాలి. సెకండ్ వెక్టర్ ఏంటి, a minus 6b plus 6c, సో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, 1 into a r is equals to a, 1 into minus 2b minus 2b, next 1 into 3c, next minus into multiply and minus s to multiply and minus s into a minus sa, next minus into minus plus 2sb plus 2bs, next to minus into plus minus 3sc, next s to multiply and s into a sa plus sa, s into minus 6bs minus 6bs, next s into 6c plus 6cs is equals to ఏదైనా వస్తున్నాయి చూడండి, క్యాన్సిలేషన్ ఏమైనా ఎడిషన్ ఏమైనా మైనస్ ఎస్ఏ ప్లస్ ఎస్ఏ క్యాన్సిల్. సో రిమైనింగ్ ఏంటి, ఏ వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ, ఏ మైనస్ 2b ప్లస్ 3c. ఇలా ఐటమ్స్ యాడ్ చేయండి, 2bs మైనస్ 6bs మైనస్ 4bs వస్తుంది, మైనస్ 4bs. నెక్స్ట్ 6cs మైనస్ 3cs అంటే ప్లస్ 3cs, 3cs. Now take out common. So what is the common? A terms leave కదా, a. Take out b common, minus 2 minus 4b into s, sorry 4s into b, 4s into b. b common తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ remaining minus 2 ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ minus 4b ఉంటుంది, minus 4 ఉంటుంది. Take out c common. c common is remaining into 3 plus 3s, 3 plus 3s into c, 3 plus 3s into c. So take it as equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now compare 1 and 2. Compare 1 and 2. Compare 1 and 2. Compare the coefficients of A, B, C and D. Compare 1 and 2. 1 and 2 compare చేయండి. A coefficient అంటే equation 1 లో 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is equals to, ఇక్కడ A coefficient 1, 2 plus 3 is equals to 1. And second B coefficient 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is equals to, 3 plus 3 is equals to minus 2 minus 4s, minus 2 minus 4s. So 2 plus 3 equals 1 కదా, అంటే t equals to 1 minus 2 plus 2 రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ minus 2 అవుతుంది, 1 minus 2 అంటే minus 1, t is equals to minus 1. So substitute t equals to minus 1 here. 3 plus of minus 1 is equals to minus 2 minus 4s, minus 2 minus 4s. And 3 plus into minus minus 1, 3 minus 1 is equals to minus 2 minus 4s. 4s 3 minus 1 2 కదా, 2 is equals to minus 2 minus 4s. 4s left side ఇస్తారండి, ఈ 2 రైట్ సైడ్ చేయండి, minus 4s left side వస్తే plus 4s అవుతుంది, plus 4s is equals to minus 2 minus 2, plus 2 రైట్ సైడ్ చేస్తే minus 2 అవుతుంది, అంటే 4s is equals to minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. So s is equals to minus 4 by 4, అంటే 4 ones are 4 ones are is equals to minus 1. S is equals to minus 1. So what is the t value? T is equals to minus 1 and s is also equals to minus 1. Now substitute t is equals to minus 1 and s equals to minus 1 value in equation 1 or 2. ఏదో equation substitute చేయొచ్చు మనం. So substitute s equals to 1. What is t? Substitute t is equals to minus 1 and s is equals to minus 1 in equation 1 and 2, 1 or 2. equation 1 లో substitute చేయొచ్చు or 2 లో substitute చేయొచ్చు. This 1 implies, substitute చేయండి ఏమొస్తుంది, 2 plus minus 1 into t into r is equals to minus 1 into a plus 3 plus t కదా, t అంటే ఏంటి minus 1, 3 minus 1 into b plus minus 1 minus t, minus 1 ఓన్లీ t ఒకటి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే s అవసరం ఇక్కడ, ఎనీ వన్స్ ఎనఫ్ s or t. b ఈక్వేషన్ లో minus 1 minus t కదా, సో minus 1 minus t value minus of minus 1 into c. So r is equals to వస్తుంది 2 plus 1 2 minus 1 into a plus 3 minus 1 into 2b minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 1 into c. So 2 minus 1 1 and a plus 2b plus minus 1 plus 1 cancel 0 into c. And what is the point of intersection? A plus 2b. Therefore a plus 2b is the point of intersection. A plus 2b is the, ఇక్కడ s equals minus 1 అవసరం లేదు ఇక్కడ, ఎందుకంటే ఓన్లీ ఈక్వేషన్ 1 లో t ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ t ఉంటుంది కదా, s అవసరం లేదు. a plus 2b is the point of intersection. a plus 2b is the point of intersection. a plus 2b is the point of intersection. This is also very important 4 marks question.